as we speak right now, after about 2 weeks of its establishment, is 335,979,433 tron, worth $8.7 million. That is the investors left over in the bank within a period of 2 weeks. This has never happened before. This is one of the fastest growing bank on the internet. All that you have ever lost in internet activity, this is your time to get it back. If you have lost a bigger sum, you are even the one that is supposed to get a bigger reward by investing now in my Tron Bank. My Tron Bank pays you 7.7% daily on the highest plan, and they pay you 4.7% daily on their least plan. We advise you get registered and invest on the highest plan of 7.7%. If you have any issues, get back to me in the chat room. Thank you.